Easy to install plug-in swing arm wall lights are a great lighting choice. You can explore these designs at Lamps Plus. Swing arm designs adjust so you can aim the light where it's needed. They are a natural for bedrooms. Place them above a bedside table next to your headboard. Doing so frees up the space on your table. Or use them next to a favorite reading chair or writing desk. Remember to hang them on the wall so that you don't see the glare of the bulb or light source. One of my favorite tricks is to install them over a bookcase. Adjust them so they illuminate the bookcase shelves. It's a very dramatic look. No matter where you use a swing arm wall light, hanging them couldn't be easier. Just install a wall anchor, then hang them on the wall and plug them in. Simple. Find a design for you at Lamps Plus, where the plus is for possibilities.